This little device will live right here in the kitchen because it can do a lot of things that are needed right here. Now, it is a temperature, so it is a thermometer and humidity level kind of grader right here. But the really nice thing with this, it does have CO2 alert or sensor. It has a smoke sensor, so it is kind of like the smallest little smoke alarm I've ever seen. And it also has something that I have never had in this home, and because we have a propane stove, it has a gas kind of sensor and will alert me if there's any type of gas around here. So we are going to test it, but the cool thing too is I love the fact that it has a lithium battery, so I don't have to plug it into anything constantly. I do have to plug it in sometimes, and I'm going to show you right now how you do that. Look at this. This little thing happens to just lock in, and I'm going to lock it in just like that. Boom, plug it in, and that internal battery is going to start charging. You have a little battery sensor right at the top here, and it tells you when you're good to go. Take that off if you want, or in my case, because I have outlets close in the kitchen, I'm just gonna have it straight into the outlet and it will continue working, no problems. So I'm gonna put that right there on the stove, and I'm gonna turn on the stove without having the lighting it up. So it's literally just gonna be propane coming out. And right now, it's going to be sensing the gas, and it's telling me what is wrong with the environment. CO2 is at 0, there's no smoke, but there's definitely propane, so we gotta be careful. So it's going to stop, and literally, perfect, beautiful. I love that it still haven't, so we're gonna wait a little bit before doing that second test there. Oh, and I just realized something really cool. So because it was right there on that stovetop, that little gas light right here was red. And it was still red when I took it off. I turned off the stove, obviously, and then it went to yellow, and it was still screaming at yellow, which is nice. Now it's at green, meaning it's a safe environment. We can proceed with the next test, which is, in this case, smoke. Let's figure out how it fares with just literally smoke. So we're gonna turn that, there we go. And let's see. Look at the CO going up, and then boom, we've got the smoke. Oh, look at that, red. I love when that kind of stuff happens. It gives me a visual notification, but of course I want to be alerted with sound. And look at that, it's still super, super high. Now it is slowly going down. We're gonna put that aside. Thank God we're being very, very careful. And the other thing that I want to show you, we're gonna wait. The other thing that I want to show you too is that you can change. I've got it in 35 degrees here as far as temperature goes, and this is humidity level that you cannot change because that's a percentage. But if I choose to change this into Fahrenheit, all I need to do is hold the little brightness button right here, and now we're at 95 degrees, which is the ambient temperature. Yes, I know, pretty hot. But yeah, this little thing, super cool. Love the fact that you can charge it so easily like this. Weighs nothing, can be really in any corner of any room, and works like a charm.